Good morning, students. Welcome back. Today we will be continuing this lesson, Dick Whittington and his cat. I hope you remember the story. So there we are talking about the Dick Whittington who lived in a small village. Belonged to a poor family. His father and mother were dead, and the villagers were totally unfriendly with him. So he had to face many problems. Poverty was there, and the villagers even behaved very badly with him. So he decided to go to London because he heard that the London street is covered with gold and silver. Okay, what is here? Is paved with gold, and he decided so that he will go there. So he decided to go there. He was helped by a cartman who himself was going to London. So he picked Dick Whittington in his cart and they both went to London. After that, the carter left him over the street and he went back to his inn. And Dick Whittington was alone in that street. He was totally alone because he didn't know anybody there over in London, and he was confused, also disappointed. Even he found the people's very unfriendly. So it was totally he thought he made a mistake coming here to London because what he heard that the street was covered with the gold and all. When he came to London, when he landed over London, what did he see? That it was a street with very dirty places and all, and so he was very disappointed. He had no place to sleep, so he just slept in the alley near the building. Dick had fallen in front of the house. Okay, see here, the rich merchant called Miss Fitzwarren. The cook tried to drive him away, but Mr. Fitzwarren stopped him doing so and told Dick to work so that he can earn and stay over there. So he started to work over there. He was helping the cook of Mr. Fitzwarren and he stayed there only. Okay. Even the cook was very unfriendly. We can say she also behaved very badly with him. Always used to scold him and all. So he was there. He was unhappy over staying over there. Now we will be continuing over here. The other difficulty which was not so easy to overcome was the cook's bad temper. See, I told you, even the cook behaved very badly with him. She shouted and screamed all the day and would scold Dick and hit him with a wooden spoon. Used to scold, also scream. Scream मतलब चिल्लाना उसके ऊपर, डांटना, चिल्लाना, okay, and even hit with a wooden spoon. Wooden spoon आते she used to eat with that wooden spoon even when he was working as hard as he could. Means he was working very hard, still that lady scolded him, screamed at him and even hit him. One night Dick decided that he could stand it no more. One night he decided that he can't bear all this torture and all, and he will just go out from that place. Early the next morning, before the cook was up, he set out with his cat to seek his fortune elsewhere. Okay, the next morning he decided before the cook get up, he took his cat and tried to see what he is having in his future. He wanted to try his fortune. टू ऑफ दम फॉर्चून मीन्स भाग्य आजमाना चाहता था वो, इसके लिए अपने बिल्ली को अपने साथ लेके वहाँ से निकल जाता है. द टू ऑफ दम वॉकड एज फार एज होलोवे on their way out of London. Then Dick sat down on the stone to rest. So they both, Dick and his cat, moved far as Holloway and on their way to London. Okay. Then Dick sat down on the stone to rest. So he was very exhausted and he wanted to rest. So he just sat on the stone. It was the 1st of November, All Saints' Days, and the church bells were ringing. As Dick sat and listened, it seemed they were ringing out a message. Now it was the 1st of November, All Saints' Days, and the church bell was ringing over there, and that bell was saying something to him. He felt that the bells are saying something to him. As Dick sat and listened, it seemed that is ringing out or giving a message. He thought the bells are giving a message to him. Turn again, Whittington, the worthy citizen, Lord Mayor of London. The message, the ringing of the bell, it seems that is giving the message. What message? Turn again, Whittington means you turn back, the worthy citizen, Lord Mayor of London. You are the Lord Mayor of, you will be the Lord Mayor of the London. So turn again, Whittington. Lord Mayor of London, said Dick, I should like to be Lord Mayor and ride in a fine coach. I can put up with a few scoldings from the cook if that is what is in the store for me. Now what is it? Okay, if I am going to be a Lord of Mayor, I would love that. बोलता है मुझे पसंद होगा if अगर मेरे फ्यूचर में मैं if I am going to turn a Lord Mayor. अगर इसके लिए मुझे कुक का डांट खाना पड़े, मार खाना पड़े, I am ready to do that. I will go back again. So he decided that he will go. I can put up with a few scoldings from the cook if that is what it is storing for me. अगर मेरे भाग्य में फ्यूचर में मेरा लॉर्ड मेयर बनना है तो इसके लिए मैं भले ही इंतज़ार करूँगा, वहाँ कुक का डांट फटकार मार भी खाऊँगा. If I am going to be a Lord Mayor. So Dick and his cat retraced their steps to Mr. Fitzwarren's house. Means Dick and his cat again returned back to Mr. Fitzwarren's house. Luckily, they were able to slip back before they had been missed. They were able to slip back before they had been missed means before the other people come to know that he has left. उससे पहले वो वापस लौट आते. लोगों को पता चलने से पहले कि ये घर छोड़ के जा चुका है, ये वापस आ जाता है. Now, Mr. Fitzwarren used to send ships far across the sea to trade with other countries. As it is said earlier, Mr. Fitzwarren is a rich merchant and he used to send his ships across the sea for trading to the other countries. He would load a ship with goods for the captain and a ship crew to sell in far places, and then they would bring back goods that could be sold at home. Means they were sending some things over there. He would load ship with goods. He would load the ships with the goods. मतलब उस ship में goods वगैरह रखते थे for the captain and the ship's crew. Crew मतलब ship में काम करने वाले लोग जो रहते, they are called the ship crew. Okay. To sell far, he used to load the ship with the goods. चीज़ें रखी जाती थी उसे बेचने के लिए, and then would bring back goods that would be sold at home. और वहाँ से बेचने के बाद दूसरा सामान यहाँ पे लाता जाता था और वो जो चीज़ें लाके वापस यहाँ पे लाते थे, यहाँ लंदन में बेचा जाता था. तो ये ट्रेडिंग पर्पस चलता था, कुछ बेचना फिर वहाँ से कुछ चीज़ें खरीद के वापस यहाँ पे कुछ बेचना. दैट वाज अ ट्रेडिंग डन बाय मिस्टर फिट्जवेरन. One day it called his household together. I am sending a ship to the African coast to trade, he said. Would any of you like to send something of yours on it? You can then share it in the profit if the voyage is successful. Everyone produced something except for Dick, who had nothing to offer. Have you had nothing of your, Dick? Asked Mr. Fitzwarren kindly. Dick replied, only my cat. So what about one day he called his household together, means the people's working over with him in his house and all. So Mr. Fitzwarren called everybody and said, I am sending a ship to the African coast to trade. He said that he is sending the ship to the African coast for the trading purposes. And he said that, would you anyone like to send something of yours on it? Then he just asked the people who is working with him, he said, do you have anything that you want to send it in my ship? मतलब आपके पास ऐसी कोई चीज़ें है कि जो आप अपने इस शिप में लाद के आप बेचना चाहते हो. तो everybody had something with them and they kept in that ship. And he just asked Dick, do you have anything to keep? Then what did he say? What did the Dick reply to Mr. Fitzwarren? I have nothing except my cat. बोलते मेरे पास तो कुछ भी नहीं है जो मैं आपकी शिप में बेच दूँ वहाँ पे, पर मेरे पास सिर्फ एक मेरा कैट के अलावा. Then let your cat go on the ship, said the Mr. Fitzwarren. What did Mr. Fitzwarren say? ठीक है, अगर तुम्हारे पास कुछ नहीं, you don't have anything, then why don't you send your cat on the ship? Okay. His daughter Alice said, Dick always loves his cat. Let him put something in for him. Let me put something in for him. Now, what did Mr. Fitzwarren's daughter said? Alice नाम की उनकी बेटी थी. तो what did she say? Dick को उसका cat बहुत पसंद है. He loves the cat very much. तो let me keep. वो बोलते हैं मुझे कुछ उसके बदले में, मतलब डिक के लिए मैं खुद अपनी तरफ से कुछ भी चीज़ रखना चाहती हूँ करके. तो व्हाट डिड फादर से, मिस्टर फिट्जवेरन ने क्या बोला? बट फादर सेड नो. व्हाट डिड मिस्टर फिट्जवेरन से? नो, इट मस्ट बी इज ओन. मतलब जिसको भी जो भी भेजना है उनकी अपनी चीज़ें होनी चाहिए, किसी और का दिया हुआ नहीं. तो इफ़ डिक वांट टू सेंड समथिंग, ही हैज टू सेंड हिज कैट. नो, इट मस्ट बी इज, नॉट समथिंग बिलोंगिंग टू समवन एल्स. So Dick fetched his cat and said goodbye to it sadly. So Dick, what did he do? He sent his cat on that ship and said goodbye to that cat. The captain of the ship was delighted, for the cat was an excellent mouser, and so he had no trouble with rats and mice on his work. The captain was quite happy because even in the ship also there were many rats and all. So what happened? This cat was to kill that mouse and just make the rats run away from that place. So the captain find it very easy for him because the cat was an excellent mouser, means he used to catch the mouse, and so there was no trouble. चूहे को सब या तो खा जाते थे या चूहे भाग जाते थे कैट के डर के मारे, तो उसकी वजह से कैप्टन को कोई परेशानी नहीं हुई रैट की वजह से. तो he was quite happy with that cat. After some months, the ship arrived at the place on the African coast, Barbary, where people called the Moors live. The captain sent a message to the king to say he had fine goods for sale and he was invited to the palace to show them. So after some months, after they reached Africa coast, what happened? Barbary, where the people called the Moors lived. The people called Moors were living over there. The captain sent the message, the captain of the ship just sent the message to the king that they have come over there, they have just arrived there, and he was invited to the palace to show them. While he was talking to the king and the queen, some dishes of the food were brought. Now the captain just came to the king and the queen of that African, and he was just talking with them. उनके साथ बातें कर रहे थे, राजा और रानी, वहाँ के जो अफ्रीकन के राजा रानी थे उनसे बात कर रहे थे कैप्टन. तब क्या हुआ, वहाँ पे खाना वगैरह सबके लिए, मेहमानों के लिए खाना लगाया गया था खाने के लिए. एंड एट दैट टाइम सडनली द रैट्स एंड द माइस रैन अप बिफोर द कैप्टन साइड. तब उस वक्त क्या हुआ, जब खाना वगैरह जैसे ही लाया गया, द कैट्स ओवर देयर इन द अफ्रीकन कोस्ट एंड ऑल देयर, इट स्टार्टेड टू रन हियर एंड देयर. मतलब अफ्रीकन के वहाँ भी बहुत सारे चूहे थे, और जैसे ही खाना लगाया गया, दे यूज्ड टू रन हियर एंड देयर एंड हैव दैट फूड. द कैप्टन वाज एस्टोनिश्ड एंड आस्क्ड इट दिस वाज द normally happened. तो कैप्टन व्हाट इज डिड when he saw the rats moving over here and there, he just asked that this is what it daily happens about. ये हमेशा ऐसा सब होता रहता है कि जब खाना लाया जाता है. Alas, yes, came the reply. The country is suffering from plague. Now what did they replied? Yes, यहाँ पे ऐसे जैसे खाना लाया जाता है, the rats starts coming out of there and started having their food. और इसकी वजह से क्या है, the people are suffering from this disease called plague. रैट के काटने से प्लेग होता है इंसानों को, एंड समटाइम इट कॉज द डेथ ऑल्सो. तो बोलते हैं यहाँ पे सब लोग, ज़्यादातर लोगों को इस बीमारी ने जकड़ के रखा है, एंड इन चूहों की वजह से काफ़ी हमें प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है. द कंट्री इज सफरिंग फ्रॉम द प्लेग ऑफ रैट्स एंड माइस एंड वी कैन नॉट गेट रीड ऑफ दिम. मतलब हम इससे छुटकारा भी नहीं पा रहे इस चूहों से. आई थिंक आई मे हैव द आंसर on my ship, said the captain, and he sent a message asking for the cat to be brought to the palace. Now what did the captain say? आपको आपके सवाल के लिए मेरे पास जवाब है. I have the answer for your question, and he just called the told others to bring the Dick's cat. बोलते हैं आपके जो सवाल है, आपको जो प्रॉब्लम फेस आ रहा है चूहों की वजह से, उस प्रॉब्लम को मैं सॉर्ट आउट करूँगा, उससे हल आपको निकाल के दूंगा. एंड इज जस्ट कॉल्ड फॉर द कैट. More food was laid out and the rats and mice appeared as before. तो वो खाना तो वैसे डाला गया था लोगों के लिए. तो वहाँ what happened, the cats and the rats all appeared as before. The cat immediately pounced, killing at least a dozen before they scattered. So what when this cat saw this rat, it just उसके पीछे पड़ गए ये कैट एंड स्टार्टेड टू किल एटलीस्ट एंड ही किल्ड इट एटलीस्ट अ डजन. मतलब एक कुछ 12 चूहों के तो लगभग उसने मार दिए थे. जब बाकी के क्या है, भाग के डर के मारे भाग खड़े हुए. Everyone was delighted and the queen asked, "What do you call this animal?" Now this African people never saw the cat, so they didn't know anything about this cat. So they were very much happy with what they saw, because the cat killed the mice and rats, and other were just scattered, means they just ran away from that place. And so all the African peoples were happy with that. And this queen asked, "What is this cat called? इसका नाम क्या है?" Puss is a name she answers to, said the captain. And when the queen called Puss, the cat went over her and purred. Okay, मतलब she used to call the cat Puss. So as soon as she did that way, the cat would come to her and उसके मुंह से आवाज़ें ये करते. The queen was little alarmed at first. जब बिल्ली उसके पास आई या ऐसा आवाज़ें करने लग गई तो थोड़ी उसे ये हुई, डर गई. बट आफ्टर दैट शी वॉज कम्फर्टेबल. शी हैड बीन seen how fiercely the cat had attacked the rat and the mice, but the captain told her not to be anxious. Puss is very friendly with people, and he said and would soon rid your kingdom of rats and mice. The captain told the queen that don't be afraid of this cat. It is very friendly with everybody. So, and this will help you to get rid of the mouses. I would give great wealth to own this animal, said the queen. Now what did the queen say? She was very much happy to see that animal, means that cat, and she said that she will give lot of money for the behalf of that. मतलब उसके बदले, कैट के बदले वो बहुत सारे वेल्थ वो देगी इसके बदले. So the captain began bargaining, and it was agreed that the king would buy the whole cargo from the Mr. Fitzwarren's ships to pay the fine price for it, and for the cat alone the king paid 10 times the sum again. Then they were bargaining मतलब हम लोग मोल भाव करते हैं. So the captain and the king started to bargaining, and after that what did the king do? He said he will be परचेसिंग द ओल कार्गो. मतलब शिप में जो भी चीज़ें वहाँ पे रखी गई थी, जो शिप से वो लोग ट्रेडिंग के लिए लाए थे, उन सबको वो खरीद लेंगे, और उसके लिए जितने अमाउंट जो चाहिए द किंग विल बी पेइंग फॉर इट. एंड द क्वीन ऑल्सो सेड दैट दो चूहे कैट के लिए, बिल्ली के लिए वो 10 टाइम्स पे करेंगे, और वो बिल्ली जो है उसको वो अपने पास रखेंगे, और उसके बदले 10 गुना उसका पेमेंट करेंगे, उसको पे करेंगे. When the ship came back to the port of London, the captain showed Mr. Fitzwarren's gold and jewels. He said he had brought from the Barbary, and told him the story of the cat. The merchant sent for Dick. Okay, when the ship came back, came back to the port of London. The captain showed Mr. Fitzwarren the gold and the jewels he brought from the, whatever he brought from there, from Africa, he just shown to the Mr. Fitzwarren and told him the story. I told him a whole story. Okay, the captain told the whole story to Mr. Fitzwarren, and about the cat also. The merchant sent for Dick. From now on, Dick, he said, we would call you Mr. Whittington. Now what did they say? From today onwards, we will call you Mr. Whittington, for you are a rich man, because you are now a rich man. वो एक पुअर इंसान था, पर उसकी बीवी ने इतने ये काम किए कि वहाँ के लोग, अफ्रीका के लोग इतने पसंद किए कि उसके लिए बहुत सारे उन्होंने पैसे, वेल्थ वगैरह दिए। इसकी वजह से ये क्या हुआ, डिक बिकम अ रिच पर्सन। सो दे टोल्ड, फ्रॉम टुडे ऑनवर्ड्स वी विल कॉल यू नॉट Dick, we will not call you as a Dick, but we will call you Mr. Whittington, because you are a rich man. Mr. Fitzwarren then paid him all the money the captain had received from the cat. So Mr. Fitzwarren, he was very honest person. He gave all the money what he got, what Dick got by sending the cat. मतलब कैट को जो भी बेच के पैसे जो आए उन्होंने इसको डिक को दे दिया। From this time on, Dick worried with Mr. Fitzwarren and became a successful merchant himself. From that day onwards, Dick worked with Mr. Fitzwarren and he became a very successful merchant. He married Mr. Fitzwarren's daughter Alice. Later, he got married to Mr. Fitzwarren's daughter, and 3 times he was elected as a Lord Mayor. जैसे उनको भविष्यवाणी इसको लग रहा था कि उसे बताया जाए, बेल रिंगिंग gave the message that you would be the Lord Mayor. He became a Lord Mayor for 3 times, not once but 3 times. 3 बार वो elect हुआ Lord Mayor के लिए of London. He was also nominated by the King and became rich Sir Whittington. Okay, nominated का देखो, given a highly honored title. उनको एक बड़ा ऑनर ये दिया, पदवी दिया गया था by the King, and became Sir Richard Whittington. Later he was called as Sir Richard Whittington क्योंकि ये उसकी पदवी थी. He was not only famous but he was popular too, for he always helped the poor with his money. He was famous as well as very popular also because he always helped the poor people, because he was a very kind person. Sometimes when he was old, he would tell his grandchildren the story of his cat and how the bells of the London had called him back when he was only a poor boy. Then he said when he will grow old, he will tell all the story to his grandchildren, how he became a successful man when as a childhood he was very a poor person, disliked by many of the peoples, and he decided to move from the London. The bell gave him the message that he should return back because he will be in the future, he will be the Lord Mayor of London. And so what he predicted, it came to be true, and he became the Lord Mayor for 3 times. Okay, so he will tell all the story what he has experienced as a childhood, from childhood to the till he gets grow older. तो ये कहानी है. ओके, वी शुड नॉट लूज होप्स. तकलीफ़ों से भागना नहीं चाहिए. हमें परेशानी भले कितनी ही क्यों ना है, एक दिन ऐसा होगा कि आप एक कामयाब इंसान के रूप में जाने जाओगे. दिस इज़ व्हाट द स्टोरी इज़. आपको भी मोटिवेट करता है कि यू डोंट हैव टू अफ्रेड विद द प्रॉब्लम्स एंड ऑल, एंड फेस इट ब्रेवली. थैंक यू.